Hi there, I'll be recording my solution to this month's Jane Street problem called A Weird Tour, October 2023. Now, I'm assuming most of you attempted the problem and are looking to my video for the solution. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing to notice is that in the title, A Weird Tour, we see the vowels A, E, I, O, U all in order. And another thing to notice is that for all the modes of transportation, we have two vowels each. We have, for plane, we have A and E. For tour, we have O and U. For big bus, we have I and U. Subway, U and A. Tunnel, U and E. Train, A and I. Boat, O and A. Bike, I and E. Horse, O and E. Limo, I and O. Now, we start off with A, E, I, O, U. Basically, the modes of transportation indicate to us what letters we need to swap. So we have A, E, I, O, U, and then we have plane, A, E. So we swap the A and the E to get E, A, I, O, U. And we continue all the way down. Now comes the tricky part. We need to find synonyms for the word that are already given to us, and most importantly, it has to follow the vowel order that we just calculated. So, for unserious, a synonym that has the vowel order A, E, I, O, U would be facetious. And then for social, we are looking for a word that's a synonym for social and has the vowel order E, A, I, O, U. So this would be gregarious. Now we're looking for a three-worded phrase that has the vowels in the order E, A, I, U, O. So this would be reading up on. For weakness, this would be exhaustion. For 5, we don't know. For number 6, we're looking for a game series, a two-worded game series that has the vowel order U, E, A, I, O. This will be Super Mario. For superstar artist, this one was a little bit tricky. There is a artist named Lupe Fiasco. He came out with a song called Superstar, and most importantly, his name satisfies the requirement. U, E, I, A, O. For sign of doubt, we're looking for a two-worded phrase. So this would be question mark, and this also satisfies the vowel order. And then for exec, the answer is businesswoman. For suddenly emote, the answer is burst into tears. For South Asian, we can think of India, and we know India is a subcontinent of Asia. So the answer is subcontinental. Now, you might be wondering what the indices next to these words are. So for social, we have 1, 6, 8. Learning about, we have 8 and 9, so on and so forth. Basically, these give us clues as to what the hint is. And then once we have the hint, we can guess what the location is for 5. So for social, we have 1, 6, and 8. So the letters here are G, R, and O. For learning about, we look at index 8 and 9. So the 8th and 9th letter are U and P. And then exhaustion, for weakness, we can ignore. There's no indice there. And the next one is number 6. Here we're looking at index number 4 in Super Mario. So this will be E. Then subsequently this will be L, because we're looking for the first index here. Sign of doubt, we're looking for the third index. This will be E. For number 9, we are looking for the 11th index, the 11th letter. This will be M. Number 10, we are looking for the 11th again. This will be E. And then for South Asian, we're looking for the 9th and 12th. So we have N and T. And all together, this spells out group element. And so this is a hint as to what the location is. And we know the vowel order for the missing city location. We have it, the order is E, U, A, I, O. So what is a term that's a synonym or is somewhat related to grouping elements? And the answer to this is, let me just highlight this correctly, is, you might have guessed it, permutation. And that is the answer. I hope you guys enjoyed the solution. Tune in next month for the newest solution.